Ai, hujui watu yani.
I am finally home. These are the whole cow's water. The water with sprinklers. Yeah. Đây có một gì mình xem kìa này. Bien.
Sometimes the strongest people are the ones who cry alone. In a kingdom built of silence, on a fragile hidden throne, they wear a crown of secrets that the world will never know, and wait until the curtains close to let the rivers flow. You're the architect of every clever, careful plan, the crisis manager, the ever-steady hand. You answer every frantic text, you solve for every doubt, you find the words to put the fires out. They bring their tangled stories, their fractured, fragile pleas. You mend their broken narratives with such apparent ease. They see a harbor in the storm, a constant guiding star. They never ask how heavy your own burdens are. But when the last goodnight is sent and silence owns the air, you're left alone inside the fortress of your own despair.
Tunafuatilia YouTubers. YouTube.
My hands won't appear. When I finish, I go. Here we go.
Nope. Meza. Lugas ako kami shake. Dari gua tadi. Lita, ako kile kale ka lita ka gid.
Nino mas nino na ko ka magekea. Watu magira kwa la kile kitu kutoka kwa makao.
Hai, kunakaa vizuri. Jeshi ni hewa, jeshi ni hewa, jeshi. Nini?
Sawa. Otherwise, ajoni mai huwa. Ntia tete zo. Kama kata me. Kunywa mai madimo. Baba rega bauti. Awale ndali ke kunywa soda huwa. Ndile kila mai. Hello guys. Welcome to her YouTube channel. To the returning subscribers, share, like and comment, you know. That's how we do, you know. Yeah, go for it. Yeah.
Unajua mimi nauzanga mashamba.
Ndio tunakunywa kwa huko home.
Ndio hizo same. Rice. I have some greens. Chapatis and some meat, and yeah, let me warm it and have it for dinner. Hi loves, I'm finally back home. I'm not cooking because I came with some goodies from home. I have some food from home. I have bone broth, rice, some chapatis. Yeah, so I'll not be cooking for tonight, and I think I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your comments, your like, for your subscription. Thank you very much. And please like, comment, subscribe as well. And let me know what you would like to see, what you enjoyed, and what you did not relate with. Till next time. Bye bye.